If you want to break up text into distinct columns using Excel, then this is the tutorial for you. This quick and easy data preparation step will have you analyzing data in no time. So let's get started. In this example, we want to use data on the top 10 most frequently visited national park units in the US for 2020. We have identified our data online and we'll highlight it and copy and paste it in Excel. We can copy using a quick keyboard shortcut where we press and hold the Control key, and then while holding down the Control key, press the letter C. Similarly, we can paste by holding the Control key and pressing the letter V. Once in Excel, we can increase our font size and modify the width of our columns so that our display is what we want it to be. Shortcuts like highlighting the columns and double-clicking the lines between the column headers and row headers when our cursor changes from an arrow to a cross help us to achieve the desired view quickly. In this example, we want to break up the column labeled recreational visits so that we can isolate the number portion from the information presented to use in an analysis. It is important to identify common patterns in the text that you would like to break up. In this case, we can see that the number is separated from the label million by a space. This will be important when we break up our text. For now, we can highlight the column containing the data that we would like to split and select the data menu and then text to columns. Once in text to columns, we will have some options to select. Because our example shows data that is separated by a space, we will select delimited. If there were a common number of spaces, we would select fixed width, but delimited will do in this case. Then we select next. Now we get to select the delimiter. In our case, the delimiter is a space. The data preview window shows us what we can expect our output to look like. Here we see two columns have been formed with the number and label separated by a line. Notice that the label recreational visits has also been split. This is because Excel processes any space in the input data that we provide. We'll select next and select the location of where we want our output to display. In this case, we've updated the default location to the column to be next to the location of our current data source, just so that we can analyze our output. When we finish, we can inspect the result. Looks good. We'll use the Format Painter to give our data the same look and feel as the previous table. And we're now ready to continue with our analysis. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified of future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.